To make a ligature in Fontlab, first make a new glyph. Go to Font, Generate Glyphs, then in Ligature type in your ligature. To build your ligature, go back to your Font tab and open up the glyphs you'll need. In this case, I'm using F and FH. Just select with the element pointer, then enter Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to paste. Position your glyphs with the element pointer again, and then position the points with the contour pointer. The left and right side need to be spaced correctly. Go to Windows, Panels, Glyph, then in the box change the left side to 50 and the right side to 52. This will achieve the desired spacing. I need to rename my glyph, so right-click on the glyph and go to Rename. Then add an underscore between each letter. With your ligatures made, you now need to enter your Features panel. Go to Window, Panel Features. Type in sub FFH with a space between each letter by FFH semicolon with underscores between the letters. Then press the play button. To test your ligature, go to the sketchboard and hit T on your keyboard to type. Then enter your letters. Then click the Features button and select Ligatures. Your ligature should appear.